CRPF Cobra Battalion anigi mathakta ahenba battalion amaga laklagani numit nifu mangani gi matungda pak sana combing operation tawba hawragani haina Manipur gi Chief Minister Yumnam Khemchana phongdokre wafam asing asi Chief Minister gi banglo da pangthokiba pawgi mifam amada mahakna phongdokibani mahakna makhatana hai chahi ahum halaklaba irang asigi waroshin puraksi hairabadi hingsa gi lambi thadoktuna wari sanaba mathautai logi wangmada khutlai paiba sing Kulai Tadok Triba Fauba, Lamdamasida Tangdulaita Bahanjalakloi. Hauzik Lamdamasida Kundaminari ba Prup Amaga Amagagi Marakta Tokliba Iranga Silakshinaba, Home Department na High Level Security Meeting Kaya Tatana Pangtoktuna Kanari. Stat Force Amadi Central Force Kara Sina, Ching Amadi Tampaki Mafam Pumna Makta, Operato Bahibasi Achoba Tabak Amani. Kudongcha Dabakaya Simayok na Bamaramna, State Langaki Home Department na, Union Home Ministry da mateng pangbina bahayzerubada CRPF ki Cobra Battalion ani Manipur da tharakibani. Hauzi Cobra Battalion ama thunglare battalion ase Manipur gi chingi mafam singda ningthizana thabak tawba ngamnaba numit nifu mangani gi oiba training kana chathari. Numit nifu mangani gi training ase hek loibaga athuba matamda ching amadi tamgi irang thokanba mafam singda thajinduna operation chathaba hauragani haina mahakna haiki.
State Shanti Lado Mante. So I pay several meeting security with Home Minister and Deputy CM. Thus, I pay some other line the high sea disarm to be heavily. Maybe Maite, maybe Buki, maybe Naga, any group illegal piracy, but it disarm the Hundragadi, Piaro heavily. I pay labor state force now. I pay the lady bar. Army masing sila masya only value is 10% katanya so watching si the operation to wasip chuk taw di hem di tawi adu yang effective na to ngam da do adu dagi ni kan Cobra ki battalion ani do ahum sore ne hebi the battalion amadi or training process da lai we maina Chhattisgarh da torombo operation system duga ko sigil atmosphere the weather the singi awang bani ba moi mol hinga tani si khenaba ma training 45 days training hek loibaga operation tarne ha